911, what is the address of your emergency?
It's an apartment complex, and I don't know what's going on, but he's banging all over, talking about can open the door. It's just really, it's disturbing loud, and it does not sound like something.
Okay, does he sound like he's inside, or maybe he's outside of the front door?
No, he sounds like he's inside because I can hear him.
Okay, what was it that he's saying?
Open the door. He's just cussing up a storm, but he's loud, and he's banging on all the walls.
Okay.
Hey, dude, put that back, dude.
Hey, bro, I'm doing.
Hey, dude, come out. Shots fired, officer needs help. Shots fired, officer needs help.
What you got, Bobby? I got 2 lines up.
Hey, come out with your hands up, man.
All right, bro. Let's see your head.
Come out. Come out with your hands up.
I got 2 lines.
Hey, dude, turn around. Turn around. Come down to your
Go
knees.
down on your knees. Down on your knees. Down. Put your hands on your head. Hands on your head. Lay down flat. Flat on the ground. Flat on the ground. You got it?
Yeah.
I'm going to listen.
All right. Are you hit?
No. I'm scared, bro.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Is there anybody else in the house?
No.
No one detained.
Hi, how you doing? Hey, dude, put that back, dude. Hey, dude. Is that a gun, Bobby?
2 lines up. 2 lines up. I got 2 lines up.
What you got, Bobby?